Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to my shed. The tin can of a shed that it is. Do you ever have one of these? It's one of those sheet metal sheds by Arrow. It's all sheet metal. This thing's been around for 10 years. Came with the house, so we kept it. Anyways, let's get on to what we're really going to do. I'm going to show you how to repair an open stator on your alternator for your Craftsman tractor. Now let's take a look. It is a Craftsman 18 horsepower overhead valve intake engine. First of all, the battery's not charging, so what we need to do is get to the alternator. So we take a 3/8 inch corners drive, socket and wrench, and loosen these bolts up. You don't have to take them out, you just gotta loosen them up. And this tractor is kind of old. I've been driving it and using it for mowing the lawn and moving junk around. Oh, for a good 10 years now. So she's been a good little deal. Change oil, you'll get good life out of it. Then on the front over here by the head, I don't know if you could see it. I'm going to give you a little turn there. Okay. Use a torque drive and a 3/8 drive ratchet. And I'm not sure what size it is because I didn't bother to look. So anyways, here we go. Loosen these up too, just so we can get this plastic thing off. This cowl, not a plastic thing, it's a cowl. Anyways, here we go. At one, loosey-goosey, two, loosey-goosey. Let's see if this baby will come out. Hey, she's coming. Come on. Alright, here we go. That's off. She kind of looks like that underneath. Don't worry, she'll be fine. Put her over there, separate the family hip. Okay, next thing we gotta do is take off this screen. Alright, another torque drive, 3/8 drive, piece of cake. You'll like it. One screw, four screws, easy peasy. See, 90% there already. Let me give you a little turn so you can see what we're really doing. Alright, I hope you hear me. We do this, I'm gonna give you a little lift. There we go. That should be better. There's that. There's this. Hope it's bright enough in here. I was going to roll it outside, but this thing doesn't like to roll so easy. So there's 3. Let's get the 4th one. La, 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 la. There we go. Alright. That little mess is done. We'll put this baby right up here. One of those magnetic cups so we don't lose these screws down into the scrabble. Okay. Now, we need to take off this. What do we got here? What do we have? Another torque drive. Well, look at these torque drives, I guess. Alright. Let's find it. Find the size that fits that. And pop it off. Whoops. Knocking stuff over. Making a mess. That's not going to fit. Let's try again. Got it. Second try. Always second try. Okay. Should put an extension on that. Get far away from our work so we don't break our knuckles to pieces. There we go. Hey, stay still, will ya? There we go. That's that one. Let's go to the next one. Need a little quick snap of the wrist. There we go. Alright, now we can pull these out easy peasy. Twisto. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, got two. There's that. Let's see. Oh, like magic. Perfect. Alright. Now we gotta take this big nut off. But to do that, you gotta get down below the pipe wrench on the output shaft. I think that's it right there. Gotta feel around a little bit. I'd show you. It'll take me half an hour to set that camera back up. If you ever use it, I think we got it the right way. Alright, now what are we gonna use here? 1/2 inch drive, the long handle, and a 15/16 6-pointer, and put it on off. And hey, look, The pipe wrench will grab. It's not grabbing. Let's try it again. She fell clean right off. Come on, don't make me look like a fool in front of everybody. No, I can do that all myself. Here we go. There we go. I think we got a bite now. And on we go. And yes, just brace that against something on there and give it a good. Oh, come on, bro. Whew, you there still? All right, good. Nobody fell. Everybody's in good shape. All right. Now, we don't loosen that up all the way. Now we're going to have to get a puller set on here to pull this magneto off. So, let's get our puller set. And the bolt sticker with it. And here we go. One bolt. There. Enough just to, you want to catch all the threads because this is going to take a lot of torque. Bit of oomph. Now the washers might help, and then again they might not. Anyways, so we screw this thing around until we get enough room to get it on there. Let's see, do we have it? And there's that one. There's that one. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I think we can do without those. So, let's bring this bad boy down. What we're going to do is break it free from the flywheel. And we could do this too. I like that. That's thinking. I think that's enough. Come on, you. We're taking all day. And contact. Come on. Come on, boy. Ah. Alright, good. Now, where do you think you're going? Now, get a wrench on that. That's not going to work. Not at all. I think we're going to need to get a wrench. And I probably didn't bring a wrench with me. What do we got here? Huh, this might do. We make do. We're on the shed, so we make do. Probably not going to be good enough. And, oh, hey, we want to get those things out so we don't ruin it. See the tabs right there? Here you go. Let me get those things out. Okay, okay. I think that's good. Nah, I think I'm going to have a problem. Hey, Gino, what are you doing? Messing up here on YouTube? Everybody to see you? Why not? Everybody has a problem now and again. Let's see what we can do here. There we go. Up, off, up, off. Let's get you underneath there. Get under. Get under. That's one. Get under. Come on. Get down. There. Come on now. Yes, right. I gotta do this all over again. Put you in there. That's got the bite. Put you. Oh, I'm gonna bring this one up before you do it. Come on. Almost wants to make you have 3 hands here. Down we go. We can easily edit all this nonsense out. But we won't. Show you just how human everybody else is. Nobody's perfect. We'll have our little trials. Well, I understand everybody likes these nuts and bolts kind of things. Patience now. We're almost there. And I think that'll do. Alright. This will help lock these things on. Let's see what we can do here. I think it will anyway. I think so. Let's see. Okay. see if we can crank that on there. See what we can get. Here we go. Whoops, don't want you. Come on, girl. Turn. Turn. All right, we got some torque going on that baby now. All right, let me get down here so my back isn't killing me. Oh, boy, it's tough to get old. It is tough. Not for sissies. Let's see if she'll pop soon. We can give her a wrap on top too. Once we get so far, we're gonna find a tool to give it a smack. You know something? There's the pipe wrench down there. I should just turn that baby around. Hold on to you, right there. Get on there. All right, there we go. Oh, there we go. Now I gotcha. Now I gotcha. I think that was made for that. Come on, bite. Here we go. We're gonna bite. Oh, she's twerking sideways there. Anyway, okay. I think we're gonna need to give it a little tip of that. Well, let's look back here. We have other implements of destruction. Yep. Remember I told you I was in my shed. We give it a little tap. Love tap. Love taps. That's all we need. All right. Maybe a little more torque. A little more. Not much more. Get a little cockeyed there. There she goes. All good. Now we can just take these off. And we'll be at the stator in no time. Okay, you're off. You're off. No more fingers. It is a little chilly out here. That's good, that's good. Back that old girl off. That's a big honker, isn't it? Okay, let's see what we got. Woo! Don't lose your keyway. Your woodrow keys. There we go. Here's our magnets. There's your stator. Alright. Flywheel deep. Gauge your starter here. All that sort of stuff. Pop this bad boy over here. There's that. Alright. Now, let me turn the light on so you can see it a little bit better. That's there. It looks a little dark for everybody. Alright, here we go. I don't know how much that helps. Anywho, here we go. Oh, alright. The reason why she ain't charging is because one of these wires is open somewhere. And if truth be told, I'd like to let you know that I've already fixed it. Yes, I did. So anyways, just to let you know, as you'll see, there's heavier coil wires here, here, and here. This produces an AC current. This produces a DC current over here, producing only about, well, not a DC current, it makes an AC current, and then it goes hits a diode, which is an electrical check valve, permits electricity to go one way, stops it from going the other way. So DC means direct current, AC means alternating current. Sorry to bore everybody else with that, but need clarification. Okay, so what we need to do is have to find the open somewhere in here. We'll do that in a moment. Let me get something to take these things off. Did I get it? Nailed it. First try, I think. Yep, did. Okay, she's not spinning around. Okay. All right, 1, 2. Come on. I gotta learn to be a little bit more patient here. There's that. Okay. There's that. No, probably want to know what size. That there is 1/4 inch. 1/4" nut driver. Not too too hard. Okay, I gotta hold it. Make sure I don't lose my screws here. My screw loose. And I'm gonna unhook the harness, which is right over here on the other side of this here dipstick tube. Alright, come on now. Oh, Bella. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Don't make me look like a fool. Oh, alright, good. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Comes right off. Like it's supposed to. Oh, don't break no wires. Alright. So, visual inspection. Looks good. That connection looks good. Looks good. All those wires look good. Those wires look good. Yeah, and that's where we were broken. Right there. That's what caused my open. So I just gave that a quick little dirty solder. And the tractor did go back into service. That's why it's looking a little dirty right now. So anyways, now it should work just fine. What? I could bore you putting it all back together. You can sit here and watch me. Or we can just shut her up, edit it out, and fire it up and show you that she's charging now. Okay. I always believe you should be able to fix something if it's broken. If you can't fix it, and it's not serviceable, then you just make a new one. Or buy a new one and hang. You can hang parts. You don't want to be known as a parts hanger. Well, if you are, that's alright too, I guess. We gotta do this. So anyways, let's see. Let's pop this bad boy back in. I know it's good. I already tested it. If you want me to show you how to test it, I can do that too. It's pretty simple. Let's put it back in. Just for instructions, I've already done this. Yes, that's right. I know where the zipper is on this thing. We're doing it right now. And it doesn't take long. So don't worry. A little hard over it. These people are a little squeamish about taking your stuff apart and seeing what's wrong with it. Don't be. Just, especially when you don't want to spend all your hard-earned money on parts. We put it all together, just to summarize. We got it all back together. We made sure it was right. Now we're going to test to see if it's going to charge. So, let's turn this, before I fire it up so that way they can hear me, turn this bad boy over to 12 volts DC. Alright, battery sitting right here. Let's see if we can get it to start. Choke it. Come on. Well, there you go. Just showed you how you can repair your tractor charging system for Zippo, and no other free tips today. Anyways, there you go, YouTube. Have a good one. See ya.